Welcome to Compare to Win. The best window film is probably one of the most effective and affordable ways to combat those chilly drafts and high heating bills that plague your home during the colder months, transforming your living space into a cozy sanctuary without the need for expensive renovations or complicated installations. This simple yet powerful solution acts as an invisible barrier, trapping warm air inside and keeping the cold air firmly outside, ensuring consistent temperatures throughout your rooms and significantly reducing your energy consumption, which not only saves you money but also contributes to a more environmentally friendly household by lowering your carbon footprint. Number 5. Duck Brand Indoor Window Insulator Kit. Lower your heating bills this winter. Our window insulator kit helps seal out the cold air, keeping your home warmer and saving you money. Tired of chilly drafts? This crystal clear film shrinks tight with heat to create a powerful barrier against cold air. Everything you need is included. You get a large roll of clear film and double-sided tape for a secure, easy installation. This kit is perfect for your home. It contains enough material to insulate up to 10 standard-sized windows. Improve your home's energy efficiency with this smart solution. It's a great way to be kind to your wallet and the planet. What we like? This option provides a crystal clear finish, ensuring visibility is not compromised. It effectively seals out drafts and cold air, creating a more comfortable indoor environment. If you have multiple standard-sized windows to insulate and want a straightforward, effective solution, this is a great choice for reducing energy costs. What people say? It's a great product for keeping the cold out. Easy to apply, and it really works to keep the drafts out. This is a good product that does what it says it will do. Number 4. Duck Brand Window Insulation Kit. Don't let the cold weather drain your energy. This kit helps you save on heating costs by blocking drafts and keeping the cold out. Installation is a breeze with our easy-to-use shrink film. Simply apply, and then trim to fit your window size, no complicated measuring required. All you need are scissors and a hairdryer. For optimal results, ensure your indoor window surfaces are clean and dry before application. Once installed, the film becomes crystal clear, offering unobstructed views. It also removes easily when the season changes. This comprehensive kit includes enough shrink film and tape to insulate up to 10 standard-sized windows, providing excellent coverage for your home. What we like? This product offers the convenience of a rolled shrink film that you can cut to size, eliminating the need for precise measurements. It creates an airtight seal to block drafts and cold weather, and the film remains crystal clear after installation. If you're looking for a hassle-free installation process and want a transparent finish, this is ideal for insulating up to 10 windows. What people say? The insulation kit was easy to apply and created a good seal. It effectively reduced drafts and kept the room warmer. The clear plastic allowed plenty of light to come through the window. Number 3. Updated Weather Stripping Door Seal. Introducing our updated weather stripping door seal, designed to keep your home comfortable year-round. It effectively blocks drafts, dust, and even sound. This versatile seal strip measures 16 feet and can be easily cut to fit any window or door gap up to 0.8 inches. Achieve a perfect seal every time. Crafted from flexible, waterproof silicone, it's built to last. The strong adhesive backing ensures it stays firmly in place, even in extreme weather conditions. Installation is a breeze. Simply clean the surface, peel off the backing, and stick it to the desired gap or frame. For best results in cold weather, a quick blast from a hairdryer can help. Not only does it save energy by preventing heat loss, but it's also made from environmentally friendly materials with no irritating smell, ensuring your family's health. Ideal for sliding doors, glass doors, windows, and shower rooms, it protects against collisions and seals gaps effectively, enhancing both security and comfort. What we like? This is a flexible silicone sealing strip with a strong adhesive backing, designed to block wind, dust, and drafts. It's suitable for various gaps and can be used on doors, windows, and shower doors for soundproofing and energy saving. If you need a durable, weather-resistant seal for smaller gaps and want a product that can serve multiple sealing purposes, this is an excellent option. What people say? Easy to install, just wipe surface clean. I used alcohol and paper towel, let it dry and apply. Easy to align, the sticky side has a tangible, visible bump separating it from the draft prevention flap. This makes it super easy to properly align the edge by peeling off only like 5 of seal protectant before continuing. Draft prevention is noticeable as the flop part being soft and pliable comes in close contact with the door frame, thus sealing the draft. Number 2. Duck Brand Extra Large Window Insulation Kit. Keep your home warm and cozy all winter long. This kit is designed to block drafts and prevent heat loss. Installation is simple with just a few household tools. You'll save money on heating costs by sealing up air leaks. This kit provides ample film for extra-large windows and patio doors. It's designed for indoor use to maximize your comfort. The crystal clear shrink film ensures visibility is not compromised. It creates a tight seal against the elements. When the season ends, it removes cleanly without leaving residue. Enjoy a hassle-free experience from start to finish. Each package contains 3 complete insulation kits. You'll find crystal clear shrink film and specialized tape inside. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for larger windows and patio doors, offering ample film size for these applications. It includes 3 separate kits, each with clear shrink film and tape, to help block drafts and reduce heating costs. If you have oversized windows or patio doors that standard kits don't cover, this is the perfect solution for comprehensive insulation. What people say. This was a perfect fix when we got a cold snap here in the south for the winter. It was 10°F outside, and I never would have known. I put this on my patio door and my bedroom windows, and it's been cozy ever since. This plastic is very easy to put on and my favorite part is using the dryer to shrink the film. LOL, good value for the money. Shrinks nice and firm and very clear. It helps with the heating a great deal. Very easy to cut. It's not perfect, but it definitely helps a lot to prevent the cold air from coming in. It's also pretty easy to install and the adhesive works well. Number 1. 3M2170W 6 Outdoor Window Insulator Kit. Introducing the 3M Outdoor Window Insulator Kit. It's designed to keep your home comfortable all season long. This kit effectively blocks cold drafts from entering your home, while ensuring your warm air stays inside. By creating a better seal, it helps you save energy and reduce your heating costs significantly. Say goodbye to condensation and frost buildup on your windows. This insulator helps prevent them from forming. The kit includes clear heat shrink film and double-sided mounting tape for a simple and secure application. Remember, this product is specifically designed for outdoor window application. Ensure the temperature is above 50 degrees Fahrenheit 10 degrees Celsius for best results. What we like. This insulator is designed for outdoor use, effectively keeping cold drafts out and warm air in while preventing frost buildup. It utilizes clear heat shrink film and strong mounting tape to create an energy-saving seal. If you're looking to insulate your windows from the outside to combat harsh winter conditions and reduce heating costs, this is the product for you. What people say. It is easy to apply and creates a good seal. The kit comes with everything you need, including tape and a hairdryer. It effectively blocks drafts and keeps the room warmer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.